We're back at these explosives today. Don't know what happened to that indicator, because apparently I've heard that they've been a bit modernized, so let's take a look and see what the damage is. Oh gosh, these have seemed to be under refurbishment. One goes fast too. That's sad. Yeah, and they've been modernized, that's sad. We won't get out of there because, yeah. Back to ground. Yeah, you're right, yeah, the upper floors are locked. Maximum light 920 kgs of 13 persons. It could be in a pretty bad state. Why don't you just replace them? So yeah, there's another says it's gone. Definitely sounds like the key was put on when they were modernized, to be honest. Don't know what happened with that looks, but yeah. These two definitely seem to be in working operation. Okay, that's it.